Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Q&A with BA. I'm Sarah, this is Clint Hanson.
Hello.
We are here to answer your questions and we're super excited to do it.
Mm-hmm.
How you doing, Clint?
Very well, thank you.
Yeah,
How are
yeah.
you?
I'm good. I'm super pumped today. One, because I'm wearing this super cool camo shirt and I feel like I really fit in here at Ballistic Advantage right now. And then two, because I had Taco Bell for lunch.
Ah, the ever delicious Taco Bell.
So, do you have anything else you want to talk about? Any messages for our friends or viewers?
I do.
Other than Taco Bell?
I think we need to apologize. So last week we did not post a video, and I'll tell you why. So, had a couple things kind of planets aligning in a negative way. Everything is fine now, but both myself and Jason had some family emergencies that came up last week, so it did get in the way of filming and putting up, new videos. So for that, we do apologize. All is well now. But moving forward, the rest of this year, you may see, or you maybe not see a video here and there. We are moving facilities. We're getting a new studio, so a bunch of very exciting stuff, but please bear with us. Kind of doing a regroup thing, and there's a lot of moving parts to this. So bear with us through this transition, but a lot of good content, a lot of better ideas and bigger ideas coming up.
Are you ready for questions?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Okay.
Before we talk about Taco Bell anymore. Okay, we have a question from our friend, Stephen Womack. Stephen says, love the videos. Oh, thank you. What is the 6.5 Creedmoor AR-10 with the Hanson 14.1 barrel like to shoot without a suppressor? Or does it require the use of a suppressor?
Question from Sarah already. Yes, Sarah.
I have a question. Okay, so the way that our friend Stephen implies his question or phrases his question implies to me that there are certain barrels that absolutely require a suppressor. Is this the case? Because I was always under the impression that a suppressor is always optional.
Yes, it always has to be optional being a barrel manufacturer because we can't really predict what you're going to do with it. That doesn't mean we couldn't come out with a specific suppressor ready barrel. Done that for certain OEMs before, but yeah, everything under the BA line that you can buy is absolutely either suppressor or unsuppressed ready. Okay, so that being said, we do sell scroll arm bleed off blocks, to cut down the back pressure. We've talked about that a lot here on Q&A. If there's anything that falls in line of something that instantly popped in my mind when you asked that question, it would be the 6-inch 300 blackout. Now, typically for me, if I'm going to build that rig, which I have, it is always going to be suppressed just because the nature of it. It's kind of what it was meant for. But there's going to be plenty of people who are going to build a pistol out of it and shoot it unsuppressed, which you can. There are certain gas blocks that are adjustable that might be too large for it because that journal is very far out on the end of that barrel. So standard 750 low profile gas block is all you're going to want to use. You can't really do a superlative on it either. So, but standard gas port, standard BA low profile gas block, throw a suppressor on there, you're good to go. However, you can shoot supersonic unsuppressed, which is how I would recommend you shoot unsuppressed.
It's time for a second question.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. This question is from our friend. This is not my name.
Billy.
I don't know what to say.
We're going to call you Billy.
This person is an enigma. Okay. Clint, I love the Hanson series. In my opinion, it is the epitome of barrel design. Wow. That's a great compliment. There is one spot in my collection yet to be filled. I need an 18-inch Hanson with a rifle-length gas system in the pencil profile. Is this something we can see coming down the pipeline? Or is it too niche? What do you prefer? The 17.7 mid-length has become my SPR, but I'm looking to shave weight for a 0 to 400 pack rifle in the Arizona deserts. Thanks. Awesome, thank you.
I'd say if you want to shave some weight, I think you're more likely going to have better luck going with either an 18-inch fluted barrel or another 17.7. It is a little niche. How do I say it? But I guess it is niche because the way, we explain barrel harmonics as it pertains to the Hanson barrel and how it improves them. If you take a pencil barrel and you stretch it 20 inches, it's going to be really hard mathematically to argue that fact that a barrel not having any right angles is going to benefit you that much just because of how long it is. Okay, not that it's not possible, or barrels like that aren't made or haven't been made in the past successfully. But you throw a suppressor on it, get that thing hot. There's all sorts of things that could happen. So, is it possible? Yes. Will you see it? Most likely not. We've got versions of it. We do a 20-inch government profile, which I think is plenty lightweight for what you're looking for. But to see a Hanson that long and that thin, yeah, I can honestly say I don't think that's an ideal barrel, to exemplify what not only what Ballistic Advantage can do, but to, I guess identify it with a V8 Hanson barrel.
Thank you so much to our friends for sending us your questions. We appreciate you guys. We sure do. Thank you, Mr. Hanson, for your answers. You did a good job, as always. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. We have new Q&A videos every Thursday. What? Yeah, it's true.
Well, sometimes it's not true. Now. We didn't have one last Thursday.
We missed one.
And we might not have a few coming up.
We've damaged our track record.
So perhaps we need to say we may or may not have a new video for the next couple months every Thursday. Hope.
They're definitely going to love that.
Just thinking,
Anyway, stay tuned and keep watching. And if you want to see Clint Hanson answer any of your questions, make sure to comment below. We sure can't wait to see what you guys send us. Okay, this friend is from our question, Stephen Womack.
This friend is from a question?
Yeah, I did it on purpose.
Oh.
To be funny.
It's like tripping and tying your shoes when you're down there, so it doesn't look like you really tripped.